We promote international trade by being a channel through which our tenants and our members can access the association and the other members.
World Trade Center has a good network, a network throughout the world. It's one of the biggest network, and trade and business can grow if you work this network well. The World Trade Center Mumbai will be happy to support them and help them in promoting trade and trade relations between India and France. We feel that there are tremendous opportunities and many things can be done together.
You're joining a family of World Trade Centers, 300 that are around the globe, and that by itself sets you apart. It implies, quite frankly, that you have a strong sense of your own self-worth, that you're going to grow your area, you're going to grow your economy, and you're going to grow it by, in fact, joining a network of trade centers who I hope will be helpful to you in supporting your growth.
L'aspect qu'on a reconnu, nous autres, le plus important pour nous, c'est qu'on a tout d'un coup accès à un grand réseau. Plus de 300 World Trade Centers, c'est nos frères et sœurs, on se rencontre 2 fois par année, on est là pour s'entraider. Quand les gens pensent au Canada, ils ne pensent pas à Winnipeg. Puis nous autres, les Canadiens, quand on pense à la France, on ne pense pas à Arras. On va penser à Paris, Strasbourg, d'autres villes. C'est une excellente façon de se mettre sur la carte, de mettre sur la carte internationale. Et puis le brand, la marque de commerce de World Trade Center est reconnue, est connue et reconnue. Donc tout de suite, ça nous donne une crédibilité.
We take advantage of the World Trade Center strong branding, international branding.
I think the local image is enhanced by you becoming a World Trade Center. I also think it says something about your community's commitment to business growth. The image that I think you want to develop and grow is that you have a great deal of knowledge about trade, but also that you can facilitate and help businesses meet other businesses. And that is something that we do both in Boston and Washington, and something I know you're going to be doing.
If you hold a World Trade Center license and brand, you have much more visibility nationally and internationally. You can attract more companies, national and international companies, so you can attract more investments.
I recognize the decision of the Arras to start a World Trade Center, because also in The Hague, La Haye, the municipality of The Hague is the owner of the license. And the municipality wanted to contribute to the international image of the city. People are very enthusiastic in The Hague, because our World Trade Center is really developing as the #1 international place to be in our city. We have a lot of trade promotion and investment promotion events. We have galas, we have networking sessions, and that is what the meaning is of a World Trade Center, bringing people together.
So trade services, education services, and promoting business with the main motto, and that could be done with this network.
So we host groups that are visiting Washington, D.C. We also bring together not-for-profit groups that are helping people learn about trade and trade information and share that information through the World Trade Center. So we play a very significant role, and you'll be doing exactly the same thing.
You have several visits of foreign delegations.
Le World Trade Center a apporté tout de suite quelque chose de nouveau pour les opérateurs économiques en Algérie, aussi bien à l'importation, puisque nous sommes de gros importateurs, puisqu'il a ouvert à ses importateurs un network beaucoup plus important, et évidemment à l'export. On leur a offert une chance aussi d'offrir leurs produits à l'international. Nous avons l'opportunité d'avoir ce network et ce WTC Online qui nous permet d'être en contact en permanence avec tous les World Trade Center. Donc je pense que là, votre nouveau World Trade Center va apporter cette dynamique à l'économie des territoires.
By being a landmark in our country, we are a center of commerce. And with the World Trade Center branding, we become an international channel through which the companies can do business.
je félicite un peu la création de ce nouveau World Trade Center, qui va agrandir la famille des World Trade Center.
Benvenuto al nuovo VTC di Lille Arras. All the best and hope we can do business together in the future.
Bienvenido al World Trade Center de Lille Arras.
I wish you all the success in the world. Good luck. I really want to welcome World Trade Center Lille Arras to the family.
I compliment them for getting the license and coming to our fraternity. And I wish them all the best. And I hope they do better. And we are always there to assist them.
Félicitations, parce que c'est vraiment quelque chose de positif. Donc, vraiment félicitations, un bon coup.
I welcome the World Trade Center of Arras as one of the new members of our group in the world. And for the Dutchmen, it could be an extra reason to stop in Arras, because normally we stop only for the péage, and now we can only stop for seeing and visiting your World Trade Center. Yeah. Good luck, and hope to meet you again.